Humayun.
You can check that Heather is also lead, so even he will be part of it.
He'll just be here in a minute.
Yeah, all of you stay.
Yeah.
Yes, all of you.
Sir, all of you here.
Sir, यहाँ पे.
All of you here, sir.
मैसेज करो उनकी आईडी दो बोलो सिनेमा हॉल का और उसका भेजे पूरा
हो गया वो एक मिनट एक सेकंड एक्सक्यूज मी सर थोड़ा क्लोज आइए
Is he off or what?
कर दिया था.
Sir, just hold on. All of you. Stay here. Sir, यहाँ पे.
शकील भाई. थोड़ा सा क्लोज में.
Heather, there.
पीछे पीछे सब लोग पीछे आ जाओ पूरा मिलेगा.
मैं पार्टी ना. तुम लोग.
भाई आना पीछे आना.
ये तो अपना बाल गीले करने में स्वेट वेट नहीं है. अरे प्लीज.
Yes, all of you center look.
सर क्लोज हो जाओ थोड़ा.
मेरे को कर लेने दो यार. प्लीज 1 मिनट कर लेने दे. सर यहाँ पे सेंटर. फिर बाद में.
Done?
Yes, all of you. Excuse me, ma'am. Yeah.
एक से past and
Right side से start here.
yeah.
Or left to right.
Yes.
Yes, all of you. Straight.
Left side. All of you left side.
All of you straight. Sir, ma'am. अभी.
झाला दादा.
Look at right side all.
सही है. सर all of you.
तू इधर लोएंगे तो जो डबल चिन आ
सही
जाएगा.
है. सर all of you.
Yeah.
Yes, straight.
Sir, यहाँ पे
Straight,
everyone on your left side.
Ritesh just
Turn. Yes.
अरे थोड़ा ब्लोअर लेके आना है.
सर यहाँ पे.
जुबली से पूछना एसी क्यों नहीं है?
Yeah, all of you.
बंद कर गया.
Sir, सामने. Ma'am. One more straight here. Sir, ma'am.
सर यहाँ पे on your count now.
Sir, look at center.
Left side.
सही है. all of you.
सर यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में all of you.
now just the cast.
Okay.
Touch up.
Yes.
Dribbling.
इधर भाई. चल.
Heather is not.
See, I'm
I
so
wanted
hard.
to.
It shows I'm so hardworking. Right?
Otherwise तरफ से. Right side. Otherwise start from there. फिर बाद में करते हैं.
Yes, straight here. Sir, ma'am.
Basically बोला था भैया ऐसे डाउन करो.
Ma'am, here, ma'am.
One second. एक सेकंड.
Sir, अभी आप right side में together. क्या बोलते?
सही है.
यहाँ पे.
One more here.
Thank you.
Solo.
एसी का भी चालू है.
That's what.
थोड़ा उसको सूख जाना. 2 मिनट सूख जाने.
आपका सोलो कर लेते हैं.
2 मिनट इसको खाली सूख.
ये एक come again. Well, I'm Ritesh Shetty and मेरा एक पैशन था फिल्म मेकिंग के लिए and that's how I started basically. Fuck, I can't talk.
Director, producer and written by Ritesh Shetty. बहुत ही उम्दा कैमरामैन है और बहुत ही बेहतरीन स्क्रिप्ट लिखी उन्होंने. मैं हैदर अली खान जो उनके मुख्य अभिनेता हूँ, मूवी का एक्टर हूँ मेन लीड में. और Shazli, of course.
You're meeting her for the first time.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
It's a lovely script written down by Ritesh Shetty. बहुत ही realistic script है जो out and out comedy है और बहुत ही प्यारी तरीके से ये मैसेज कन्वे करती है लोगों को और बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज कन्वे करती है. आई थिंक कहानी के बारे में जो डिटेल्स बता सकते हैं तो हमारे डायरेक्टर ही बता सकते हैं थोड़े बहुत.
ये डिटेल मैं बिल्कुल बता नहीं पाऊंगा बिकॉज वो तो आई एम श्योर आई वांट एवरीवन टू कम एंड वॉच माय फिल्म प्रॉब्ली once it's made, but all I can say it's a comedy film. It's an out and out comedy film where people will just enjoy watching the film. Every frame, every block, every scene is going to be. See, I'm basically a cinematographer myself, and ये मेरा debut होगा as a director. So I would love everyone to know and come and watch this film once it's done.
So when you were casting, what you had in mind? What you had a cast with you today? What were you? Since it's comedy, I'm sure it's a difficult genre when you have to cast.
Indeed, comedy basically is a very difficult genre. Yes, it's. I only know the fact that Heather Ali Khan has got an amazing timing of comedy. Amazing timing. So Heather Ali was my first thought basically. So I didn't bother anyone else other than him initially, from the beginning, in fact. So apart from that, it was a little difficult for me to actually.
I think you took awful lot of time to choose your characters in the movie.
Exactly. For me,
हर character आपने बहुत ही प्यार तरीके से
बिल्कुल
चुना।
बिल्कुल।
Of
For
course
me,
आपने इन्होंने मुझे जब कहानी सुनाई तो मैंने कहा कि रितेश यार ये तो मेरा कैरेक्टर हुआ, लेकिन हमारी मूवी में हर कैरेक्टर इज गॉट इज ओन इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस, जो इन्होंने बहुत ही प्यारी तरीके से, जिसे कहते हैं ना कि कहीं ना कहीं डायरेक्टर ऑडिशंस रखते, लुक टेस्ट रखते कि यार हमें पता चले कि हमें वो राइट कैरेक्टर मिल रहा है कि नहीं, लेकिन ये खुद कैमरामैन है और मुझे लगता है इनका कैमरा हमेशा ऑन ही रहता है
आंखों के जरिए, आंखों के जरिए,
बिल्कुल आंखों के जरिए। और इन्होंने चुने कैरेक्टर्स, बहुत ही बेहतरीन उम्दे कैरेक्टर्स चुने और बहुत ही उम्दे एक्टर्स चुने इस कॉमेडी के लिए, बिकॉज आई फील समथिंग कॉमेडी आज की तारीख में लोगों को नेचुरल चाहिए और नेचुरल कॉमेडी तब आती है जब आपकी स्क्रिप्ट नेचुरल हो। तो इन्होंने इतनी नेचुरल स्क्रिप्ट लिखी हुई है और जहन में जो इन्होंने रखा हुआ था स्क्रिप्ट को और इसे उतारा गया पेपर पे, और बस हम आप लोग की दुआएं चाहिए कि हम इसे, और डायरेक्ट रखा समय रितेश शेट्टी जिनका ये डेब्यू होगा पहली बार इंडस्ट्री में, अच्छी तरीके से उसे पर्दे पे उतार सके। जो हमने सोचा, जो हमने रखा हुआ है जहन में, जो हम रात को भी सोच के हंसते यार रितेश ये सीन मजेदार था यार, और हंसी आती है अचानक से, तो मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं अगर हमें ये कन्विंस कर रही है तो हम कहीं ना कहीं आवाम को, आप लोग सबको कन्विंस कर पाएंगे।
क्या बात।
तो प्लीज़ आप लोग की दुआएं चाहिए, और जो भी इंटरव्यू देखेंगे प्लीज़, थैंक यू वेरी मच। हमें हमारे रितेश शेट्टी एंड व्यवस्था जो मूवी का नाम है, उन्हें प्लीज़ पूरे ब्लेसिंग्स और गुडविल की तरह देखिएगा, और बस ये हमारी कामयाबी होगी। जहाँ आपकी हंसी वहाँ हमें कामयाबी मिलेगी। शुक्रिया।
I would like to ask you about your debut film and about your role in your background, of course.
Of course. First of all, I'd like to say thanks for having me here. It's a great opportunity. My background is I'm from Australia and my heritage is Indian. शायद आप लोगों को पता होगा Fiji Indians के बारे में. So that's where my history begins. I was born in Fiji and I moved to Sydney when I was a very young girl. And since then, it was my passion to enter the film industry at some stage. But I was doing a lot of work in Australia, in Sydney, in the industry, in the entertainment industry. And through some common friends, I was introduced to Ritesh, which was the best introduction ever. Because here I am standing today, and I'm very happy and very excited to be part of this amazing new project, because the people that are involved in this team, everyone has so much passion. There's a lot of people that it's their first time that are entering the industry in some certain way, shape or form. So everyone has so much energy, passion है, सब कुछ है, सब में इतना मतलब जान है कि everyone's like working so hard to make this an amazing project. So I just would like to say thanks for having me here, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to making it a great, amazing movie.
Tell us about the song recording the song. So what is the song all about? It's situational, it's timely, what is it?
Today actually is a very, very auspicious day. So our whole team decided to basically keep a small muhurat here. So for which we are there in front of you all. And so this is basically a introductory song of our main lead, which is Shazli. And we are going to basically this song is totally picturized on her and her nature. She's a very bold girl who's actually put up in a village, a very small village in UP. So that's why it basically. So I want you all to listen to this song, probably some clippings in a while.
What role do we see you playing in the film other than direction, Samantha Cassie? What else is there that you've taken charge of?
Okay.
Speak your first film.
Now, I would probably brag about myself, but then I wouldn't like to say that.
This is a chance. This is a chance.
Well, I don't know. I was always very confident in producing a film, and but not very sure whether I would be able to do it or no. But then I've got some amazing financiers and my producer partners who helped me out in shaping out this project. Basically, but they trusted me, Mr. Kranti, Mr. Gurmeet sir, and Kapil. And so here I'm standing basically as a producer, as one of the producers. and I'm directing this film all by myself. The script was totally mine, my plot, and I took my help. Naeem Sheikh. So Naeem Sheikh actually helped me out in scripting this lovely project, basically. And it's a realistic film, which I'm a realistic filmmaker. In fact, I'm an independent filmmaker, and I've made sure that my film is absolutely realistic, where everyone can relate to when they're watching the film. They can feel that, you know, this probably would happen with me too, and probably might have happened with me too. So I've got that nerve, and I've tried to draft this script, and by the grace of God, everyone loves it. So I'm glad about the fact that my script has been appreciated. But I'm quite sure about the script because it's something different. It's not. I don't want to sound like everyone basically sounds. कि ये मेरा फिल्म अलग होगा, ये फिल्म ज़रूर देख रही है, कुछ अलग है. But this film is not a normal genre. ये अलग ही genre है, कॉमेडी है. मतलब ये नॉर्मल फिल्मी काइंड ऑफ जॉनर है ही नहीं. ये अलग लेवल की कॉमेडी है. इनफैक्ट इसमें आई एम श्योर हैदर एंड शाज़ली आर द मेन लीड्स, बट एवरी कैरेक्टर is my main lead in this film. Every character is important in my film. So every character को बहुत सही तरीके से justify करते हुए मैंने कुछ लिखा है, and I would love everyone to watch my film once it's done. We are going on floor very soon. UP based film है ये basically. UP के एक बहुत छोटे से गांव called घूरपुर, जहाँ पर मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ, and उसका एक नाम हमने रखा है because I didn't want to use the same name. तो मैंने नाम रखा है माखनपुर basically. So this is right. What else?
We would like to know where you were missing from the scene for some time. It's nice to see you. Tell us what's been happening all this while.
Well, like all of the actors, I was waiting for the right script to come my way, and Ritesh came up with a lovely script. He narrated me the script, and I felt the realistic touch in it, and I could feel that I could justify the role. जैसे मेरा अब्बू हमेशा बोला करते थे कि हैदर काम करना है तो अच्छा काम करना है, वरना सब्र रखो, अच्छा काम आएगा आपके वो. तो आई थिंक सो आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद दिस गुड स्क्रिप्ट एज एन एक्टर, आई कैन से. बाकी तो किस्मत का खेल है.